welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add LUT color presets in VN. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to add LUT color presets in your VN editor, all you gotta do is simply go to VN video editor. Once you're in your VN video editor, you need to download your LUT files, often .cube or .zip. So you need to open the app first. You need to start a project and select a video clip. Once you select the video clip, you need to simply tap on the filters option. Now, after you tap on the filter, you need to add the plus icon and simply tap on it and choose File App. You need to now navigate to your downloaded LUTs, like you need to unzip if necessary and select them and create a new folder library to organize them for easy application and intensity adjustment. So after you have done this, you will be able to simply add LUT color presets in VN. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.